Hi, my name is Caleb and my daddy's about to show you a brand new product.
I get to introduce to you the brand new Poolife NST Chlorine feeder. This is going to be an unboxing and an install. I've already opened it up to see what's in it. Now it's your turn. Let's get into this. Nothing else in the box. There it is, Poolife NST feeder. Now that it's out of the box, let's open it up and see what's inside. It's got a little locking mechanism on it. Got some instructions on how to install it. Has a little union. It's gonna go on one side of it. Oh. Got another little piece. What's in the bag, baby? It's a little drain. It's gonna go on the front. And perhaps the most important, this is a valve that controls how much flow goes into the unit. And I'm gonna install this right here for you. You're gonna get to watch. Oh, and if you haven't seen my last video on how I set all of this up, go back and watch that. I'll link it in the description below. Let's get started. You wanna have your arrows facing in the direction of the water flow. Now, all of the plumbing's done and we're ready to test the system for leaks. I don't have any NST tabs in this feeder right now because first I'm gonna pressurize it and make sure it doesn't have any leaks. If you notice, I put a ball valve over there. I'm gonna show you that in just a minute. That's because this isn't an above ground pool, it's a flooded system. I want a way to turn off just this feeder so that I can fill it up. So what did we do here? Well, here is the diagram on how to install it, and as you can see, you plumb it between the pump and the filter. Somebody was asking me the other day, why would you plumb a chlorinator before the filter? Well, because it's a NST, and if you don't know what that means, NST stands for non-stabilized tabs. There is a storm brewing, so I'm trying to hurry up with this. Non-stabilized tab means it's a calcium hypochlorite tab. What you're used to is a trichlor tab. So what is an NST tab? What is an NST feeder? And why do you even care? Well, an NST tab, non-stabilized tab, means that there is no cyanuric acid stabilizer, conditioner, whatever you want to call it, in the tab. It's a calcium hypochlorite tab, which means that your CYA or stabilizer levels will not go up using this tab. Do you hear the thunder? I'm really trying to hurry up here. So, brand new feeder. You and I get to try this feeder out. This feeder's not even on the market yet. By the time you watch this video, it might be. But as of right now, this feeder is not available for sale. What you do is you take your NST tabs and you put them in the skimmer. Well, in the pool industry, we don't like to put anything in the skimmer, especially a tablet or any type of chemical, but NST tabs are designed to go in the skimmer or in a place where it won't be pressurized like this. I'm curious as to how this is going to act with this particular pool being a submerged system. That means that the pump and the filter are below the level of the water, which is right up here. So let's go ahead and turn the pump on, pressurize the system, and see how it does. Then, and only then, will we put an NST tab in. Let's do it. Okay, so I've got the chlorinator on, I've got water moving through it, but if you remember from the last video when I put this setup together, I added an extra ball valve right over here. Here's the ball valve that I added. And what this does is if I turn this off just a little bit, it will help direct water through these pipes. I've got this on and set at about 3. I got my other ball valve on the other side that you can't see in the video, but here we go. Man, I wish you could see inside here. There's water moving, but there's just no way that this is gonna come through on video. Okay, now that the system is working perfectly, water is moving exactly the way it should move through this system, I'm gonna go ahead and add a single NST tab. And if you haven't seen that before, here it is. Poolife makes this. It's a purple bucket. It's a hexagon shaped tab. I'm gonna show you. First, we have to turn off the water flow to the feeder. I'm gonna put on a glove because I don't touch chemicals with my bare hands. And again, there is a storm brewing, so I'm trying to do this quickly. Here's what the tabs look like. Again, this is not, it's not the tab that you're used to. It's a hexagon shaped tab. It's blue in color, and it does not play well with your normal tabs. Do not put this in your normal trichlor feeder. Do not mix this with trichlor. Do not mix this with trichlor. I need to say that a couple times. This is a non-stabilized tab. This is calcium hypochlorite in this tab. Do not mix it with trichlor. Do not put it in a trichlor feeder. Skimmer, or if this works out, we are a test station for Poolife's NST feeder. Let's go ahead and put a tab in. Putting one NST tab in to try it out. So turn the handle until this locking pin slides into place, then close the valve and let's turn it back on. Close my bucket of NST. All right. The NST feeder is on. It is working as it should. I'm gonna give it about a month. I'm gonna check on it, see how I like it, see what flaws it has. That's the whole point of us being a test station. I'm excited to be doing this for Poolife, and trust me, if it sucks, I'm gonna let you know. If it's great, I'm gonna let you know that too. I see lightning. If you have liked this video, if I have earned your subscription, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and click the bell notification for the next video. I believe the next video will be me diving and actually drilling into the bottom of a concrete pool to install some main drains. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching. I'm getting out of here.